here Unity3D website is there. Unity.com. You can search on Unity.com. Unity.com. So here you have to make one account. Sign up here and make one account to use Unity editor. Okay, Unity.com or Unity3D is also it is called. Unity.com is okay. You can use that. Okay. So if you go in that download section, first you have to download Unity Hub. Unity Hub.
Unity Hub. Okay.
You can search in Unity or any web browser, or you can directly download from here also. Like Unity Hub will be there. If you search in web browser, you will get these links. Unity.com/download. So here you can find the Unity Hub. See here. This Unity.com/download. Okay. So first step is to download Unity Hub. You can download for Windows and you can install it. It is just next you have to put. Should I show that or you can install that?
I'll try to install, sir.
Okay, you can try to install, and if any issue is there, you can ask tomorrow. Okay. Then
Yes.
After installing Unity Hub, it will look like this. This is Unity Hub.
In the downloads. Okay.
After installing, this will be Unity Hub. Now here we have to install the Unity editor.
Editor.
So here there are different versions of Unity editor. You can see here visit download archive. So you have to use the latest version of this particular Unity editor. Okay. So these there are different types of Unity editor, like LTS version is there and some beta versions are there. Beta versions means those are not complete; they are in the preview first. And LTS means long-term support. Okay.
LTS.
So we have to download this LTS releases only. Okay.
Okay.
So in this, better to use the Unity 2021. I'm using this Unity 2021 because 2022 is in development stage, so it is not fully complete. Okay.
Okay.
So you can use this 2021, and the latest version is 2021.3.24. But we have to check whether it is LTS version. So here you have to download LTS releases. Okay. So here you will see 2021 or 2022 down LTS releases. So 2024 is the latest one. 2021.3.24 F1. So if you click on here, you can download it from here. You will not be able to download from. We have to download it from Unity Hub. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to click on earlier one, like where all the releases were there, and here you have seen that it is 2021. So here Unity Hub is written. Unity Hub tab is there, na?
Yes.
So we can install it through this downloads win also or Unity Hub also. But recommended way is to download it through Unity Hub. Okay. So just you have to click on Unity Hub. Just a moment. We have to click on Unity Hub here. So
Okay.
this particular Unity editor version will be try to install in our Unity Hub. See here, this dialog box will come. This dialog box will come, and here you have to
Mm.
click Open Unity Hub. Okay.
I always I know that we shouldn't check, sir.
No, that is not
There was
required.
one that is
That is
not
not
required. Oh,
required.
oh,
No.
oh.
So it will try to open through this Unity Hub. See here, it has come here automatically, and it will ask for installing in. It didn't ask. See, it automatically uh, shown this particular window.
No.
Okay, so here we have to select some like some components of this CDP editor. This 2029, sorry, 2019
No.
Microsoft Visual Studio you have to install. So it is already installed in my laptop, so it is showing nothing here. Like the checkbox is not there. Okay, so if you are installing first time Unity editor, na, so there here you have to click on checkbox.
Mm.
Then you are making game for mobile and Windows operating system, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you have to click this Android build support, Android build support. Then you have to go down and Windows build support. These two things you have to click.
Okay.
And another things are there like here documentation is there. So documentation is not required because it is available on net itself. So you don't have to click this documentation. So only these two things are required: this Android build support and
Mm.
Windows build support.
Okay.
And then continue. Then it will start installing automatically. Now I already have installed that one another editor version, so I'm not installing now. But this is the step how to go. Now,
Okay.
now it will ask for license. Like there are different types of licenses here. One is like purchased one, and one is free one. So we can use the free one itself. All the features are available in free one also. Okay.
Okay.
So here to make license now, here you have to go here in setting. Here, preferences is there.
Mm.
In Unity Hub, preferences is there. You have to click
Mm.
here and then here licenses. Now I already have that particular license, so it is showing like this. But if we see I have not added license at that time, add license button will be here.
Okay.
So I'm just to show you, I'm just returning license. Okay, it will not. You have to. So here you have to add license and click here. Okay, add license, and after adding license, click on this activate with license request.
Activate with license required.
Yeah. So here if you click, there are three steps. Download license request. So you have to click on create license request. So it will download one file.
Mm.
Okay. Then
Okay.
I can show you create license request. You can download extension is activation file, UAF,
Unity application.
UTLIC. Okay. So I'm
It's a
taking,
free one, right?
yeah, it is free one. So UTLIC is storing that file here in desktop here. Okay, this one.
Mm. Okay.
Then we have to go to this particular link. You
Mm.
can generate license file. So to go to this particular link,
Mm.
and you have to keep login with your Unity account. Okay. So here manual activation is there. So here you have to click browse, and whatever file you saved now, you saved one file na, that is Unity LIC file. Hello,
Yeah, hello, sir.
am I audible?
License, yes, sir. License Unity3D.com manual. Mm.
Ah, first we have downloaded this create license request, create license request. We downloaded one file, and then we went to this particular website. So here we have to browse, and here we have to select this file, Unity LIC. Okay,
Mm. Okay.
and I'm not selecting here because I already have installed that Unity editor. Okay, and then next, if you click on next, it will generate one file, and
Okay.
you have to download that file.
Mm.
Okay, and from there, uh, whatever file you have downloaded from that website, you have to add here. Uh, I have downloaded that earlier here. It is of extension .ulf. So you have to browse that and select that file, and then activate it automatically. So these are the steps to install Unity Editor. Okay. After
Okay.
recording this session, you will get the files for that.
Mm.
So now, when you installed Unity Editor, Unity Hub will be looking like this. This is Unity Hub. Okay. And if you want to open Unity Editor or start creating a project, first you have to create here new project. Click on new project. Okay.
Okay.
And here there are different types of projects. So initially you have to start with 3D, all templates 3D. Okay. And here whatever directory or folder you have to save, that you have to select location here, and whatever project name you have to give, you can give here. Okay. So initially it takes some time to open depending upon your configuration of your laptop. Sometimes it may take 5 minutes, sometimes it may take 10 minutes for first time. For first time if you are opening. Okay. So I have already opened one project, new project, blank project. So it is like this. After opening the project, it will look like this. Okay, is it visible?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Huh. So it will look like this. So we will see what are these tabs or windows inside this particular Unity editor. So first thing is this project tab. You can see here this project tab. We can move that particular tab anywhere. So this is project tab. You can see here project written
Okay.
here.
Good. Okay.
So in project tab, we'll save all our files. It can be texture, it can be model, it can be scripts, anything. Like any file will be saving in this particular project folder, project tab or project window. Okay. So initially, and folders or files will be shown here in assets. In project tab or window, we have one folder named assets. Okay, this is folder name asset. So here you can create any folder. If you right click here, you can create any folder. Like if you want to save scripts, then you will be creating folder, naming it as scripts. Okay,
Okay.
this folder is created here. Here you can save C# scripts. Okay, and here scene folder is there. That will be whatever scene is there initially, that will be shown here in the hierarchy. First, we have to consider this project window. Project window is nothing but where we can save all our files.
Project.
It can be of any type. We can just dog this. Uh, so here you can save any file. Now, next thing is this hierarchy window. You can see here hierarchy window, this one.
Yes, sir.
So here we'll be saving all our game objects. Now, as I told, in world view, in real world view, we have different objects. Isn't it? Similarly, in
Yes.
this particular scene view, it is called as, you can see here, this scene is written here.
Hmm.
So this particular window is nothing but scene view. It is
Okay.
similar to world view.
Okay.
So whatever objects are here, that will be shown in this particular hierarchy and in this particular scene. Okay. So
Okay.
here you can see here sample scene is written here.
Temple.
Sample scene.
Sam. Sample scenes. Okay.
So you can create different scenes in one project.
Okay.
So here one of those initially there will be sample scene. And here if you want to see that particular file, this is the file of sample scene.
Okay.
Here sample scene. We can create another scene here, like right click here in this project window and create. Okay, create and scene is here. We can create that another scene. But when you open the Unity editor first time, this sample scene will be there by default.
Okay.
Now in this sample scene, we have this main camera and direction light.
That. Okay.
Okay, so main camera means in our real game, if you whatever we will see, that will be shown by this main camera. It is like an eye. Okay, direction light means how these game objects are there. So lights will be focusing on those game objects. So then it will look like brighter on some areas and darker on some areas. So that can be defined by this direction light. Now I will show you one game object. Like if you want to create one cube here in scene view. This is scene view. Right? So in
Okay.
view, if you want to create one cube you want to place, so what we'll do, we will right click in hierarchy window, right click in hierarchy window, then go down 3D object and cube.
Few.
Okay.
Okay.
So if you click cube, this will appear here. this particular game object will appear here in scene view.
Oh, oh.
You scroll with your what do you call in your mouse. If you scroll, then if you scroll forward, then it will zoom in, and if you scroll backward, then it will zoom out. I'm doing like this.
Understood.
So here, this is cube, and different. And if you click on right button of your mouse, and
Mm.
then by clicking, then if you move like this, it will move like this. You can move the whole scene view on
Okay.
our mouse. If you click on the right button, by clicking in the right button, and if you move your mouse, then it will look like this.
Okay.
And if you scroll down, then it will look like this. Okay, so this hierarchy gives in this particular scene, like this will consider only one scene, and in this scene, what are the game objects? Or game objects can be anything. It can be main camera. Main camera is also called as game object. So whatever uh, elements are there below this particular sample scene name, those are game objects.
Sorry, sir.
Whatever elements it is written here below this sample scene name, here it is there, no sample scene.
Mm.
So under these, whatever elements are there, those all are game objects.
Okay. Mm.
So this hierarchy is for containing the game objects in a scene.
Mm.
Then this scene view is giving the view of our like what are the how the it will look in world whatever game objects are there. We can add one more like if you want to add another here, right click here in hierarchy window, then 3D object and sphere.
Mm.
Okay, so it is coinciding with each other.
Yeah, can we add any other images which is not available in the hierarchy, sir? We can upload any image.
Image you can upload, any image you can
Okay.
upload, that will be coming in the particular UI section. If you want to upload image, that will come in this UI section. We'll see that later. But initially,
Oh,
these are the game objects. And if you want to upload image, that will come in user interface. You can,
UI.
I can show you that. If you
Mm.
just want to see, you can show that UI you have to click, and then image. Image is here.
Okay. Okay.
So if you click now, it will look like this. Now what happens? Like here, you have to add here whatever image you have to add. Here source image is there, no?
Mm.
There you have to add the image, then it will appear here.
Okay. Mm.
It will appear. But that is the next section that we will see later. And next is this game view, game window view.
Okay.
Can you see this game name? Like
Yes,
game
sir.
window? Huh.
Yes, sir.
So whatever we are going to see in our real game, when we make it,
Mm.
that will be in this game view. And scene view means all the things we can see in this scene view. But game view
Okay.
will show only that thing which is covered by this main camera.
Okay. Mm.
Okay. Next is
Okay.
this inspector window.
Mm.
So whatever properties of any game object, like this is game object, main camera is game object, then direction light is game object, cube is game object, here is game object.
Yeah.
So each game object is having its properties. Like sphere is having property transform. This is one of the property, or you can say component. Okay. So one of the component is transform, another component is sphere. We'll see this what is mesh filter all this thing. Then another component is mesh renderer, and another component is this sphere collider. Okay. So you can give the dimension to this particular sphere by using here. We can by using transform also we can give, or no, only transform we can give here. So if you want to double the size of this particular sphere, then you have to scale here, make it to y direction tool and z direction tool. Okay. uh, this particular transform, you can see here transform component
Yes, sir, I got.
of
See.
this sphere.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So position means in world view or scene view, where is its position? So we can make it at 0. 0 means origin. Okay. And we can move it to right. See here. Right means what? This is scene view and this is game view. So right means in game view, right means our y direction. Sorry, x direction.
X.
Okay, and top means y direction, and inside this particular window, it is z direction. Okay, so if you move this in x direction, it will, like if you make it 5, so it will be moving right side. If you move it y some value 2, so it will move top.
Okay,
This
okay, understood.
transform gives the three components, three properties are there for transform component. One is position, rotation, and scale. Position means in a scene view where the particular game object is there. Okay. Rotation means
Okay.
you can rotate this particular game object along its y direction, y axis. These are the axes: x axis, y axis, or z axis. Now this is sphere, so it will be in any direction. It will be same, isn't it?
Yeah.
If you take this cube and you can move this cube to left hand side like this in negative direction, negative x. Okay. And if you rotate it like this y direction is this vertical one, isn't it? So if you rotate this cube along y direction, like here, if you rotate, so it will rotate like this. You can see here y value is changing. I'm changing that y value by moving the mouse, by dragging on y this y value and moving like this mouse. So it will rotate like this. Okay.
Okay.
And scale means its size we can increase or decrease. So if we make it 2, 2, 2, so it will be like this.
Size.
So make it say 3. Okay.
Okay.
And then in scene view, whatever we did in this transform component, we can do it in scene view also. This toolbar is there. See here, this toolbar is there. So we can move. This is for selecting. You can select this particular game, any portion or portion of this world view, the scene view. We can select it by using this hand. We can select this hand, and we can uh, move this mouse by dragging. Means keeping left button pressed of that particular mouse. Okay, and then his second is there. The direction is, you can see here. So if you want to move this in X direction, red line is there. So you can just click on it and you can move like this. its position will be changed. Then this rotation part is the rotation. You can rotate this particular game object in any direction, X, Y, or Z direction. Okay.
Yes.
Then this scale tool is there. You can scale, like here it was we made 2, 3 here. Similar you can make in here also. Then this is for complete scaling. You can scale this like this. Then so some are required. This is combined like rotation and scaling. This one last one. So some are important, some are not that much important. So this one is there. This is important. You can move this object with this particular tool. Then this is rotation. You can rotate this particular object, and this is scaling. You can scale this particular object. You know. Okay. So this is the like starting of this particular Unity editor. We'll see step by step in coming classes. So today is enough, I think. We'll continue tomorrow.
Yes, sir. I'll try this tomorrow.
Initially, it will be little difficult, but if you have any doubts now, you can clear at the end. Like now, also, if you have any question, you can ask me.
Not now, sir. I think when I try only, I think I can.
Okay.
I may get
See
some
here,
doubts.
it's this Unity game development is kind of practical thing, isn't it? So
Yes, sir.
theory
Yes,
will
yes.
not be there.
Understood.
Theory will not be there.
Mm-hmm.
And if you want to know the theory, na, then everything is there in this manual of Unity editor. So
Okay.
I will give you the link of the manual dot Unity3D. Just a minute. Manual dot Unity manual. If you search, na, you will get everything there. But that will be little lengthy. You will learn this by using by practice only. You can learn.
Okay.
So here you can see Unity manual is there. So you can get everything theory here.
Mm.
Here on left hand side, you can select anything. Like whatever we studied now, you understood this. It's been working in Unity. This everything is there, like installing Unity, Unity's interface. So if you search in web browser Unity manual, you will get this. Okay, but we'll cover whatever in our syllabus step by step in coming days.
Okay. Oh, do I have to accept all cookies, sir? Here's some accept
Ah,
cookies and all.
cookies setting, like here you have to select some cookies only, not all.
Okay.
Whatever this is, like this is Unity, na, so we can press that, so we can accept all cookies, no matter.
All.
Some other websites are there; those are not trustable. So you have to think about it, like whether you have to use that or not, accept or not.
So here
Like,
I can accept all.
no matter.
Okay. Because 2 days before I tried install
I
many
will
tasks,
share
so many
the
allows.
I will share the videos to you. Do you know WeTransfer or you can do
Sorry,
one thing? WeTransfer website, do you know?
V transfer.
Yes. Or
No,
I will send you in WhatsApp. I will send you. Okay.
link we can create, no sir? So it's not possible.
A link we can create in Google Drive.
V,
Huh?
should I have to install V transfer?
No, you don't have to install that WeTransfer. You have to just open that website. But better, I will send you the Google Drive link there, and you can download from there. Okay.
No,
So we will meet tomorrow at 7. What are your miss? time like 7:30 is okay or 8:30 is okay for you? 7:30 to 8:30
7:30 is also okay, sir. No issues.
or 8:30?
Tomorrow?
No, it's the daily 8:30 or daily 7:30?
Sorry, sir, I didn't get you.
No, Miss 7:30 to 8:30 is comfortable to you, or we can change it to 8:30 to 9:30.
No, this itself is okay, sir.
7:30 is okay, no?
Yeah.
Okay, then we will continue on 7:30 timing from tomorrow morning. Okay,
Okay.
okay, ma'am. We'll see tomorrow. Okay,
Yeah.
bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye.